I'm Miss Annalee from the Ashland Branch of the Pamunkey Regional Library, and this month what we're doing is pumpkin launchers. You can pick up your kits at the Ashland Branch starting in mid-October. So come in and see us and you can take one of these home and make it. And now I'm going to show you how.
Go.
Okay, so this is our pumpkin launcher, and in the kit you're going to find 9 craft sticks, 4 rubber bands, 2 glue dots, a bottle cap, and some pumpkins for throwing, because what's the point of having a launcher if you don't have something to launch, right? So we're going to start with the craft sticks. Take 2 craft sticks and set them aside. Then take the other craft sticks and a rubber band, and you're going to rubber band one end, just like that. And then we're going to rubber band the other end. Okay? Then take your next 2 craft sticks and rubber band the end of those 2. Just wrap that rubber band right around. Okay? Then stick your finger in between and spread them out and stick the other craft sticks in there. And scoot it down as far as you can. Okay? And try and get it centered in between the 2 ends. Take your last rubber band and stick it diagonally here and twist, and then do it diagonally the other way. Okay? And we want to do that a couple more times. Until it's really good and secure. Okay? Make sure we keep it centered. Then take your bottle cap and the glue dots. I'm going to stick 1 glue dot on there and 1 on this part. Okay, so they're on there really good. And then I'm going to line those up with the craft stick and put it in just a little bit from the end and press it down really hard. Okay, and it's done. Now, let's see how it launches.
Go.
All right, let's see how far this launches. Use one hand to hold it steady and the other hand to push it down. Pretty good, but I'll bet you can do even better. If you'd like, you can post a video showing yourself doing this. Send it to Ask a Librarian on our Pamunkey Regional Library site. Bye! We'll see you soon.